11004 on the Disney Wish. I have stayed in this room before, and I gotta tell you, it is one of my favorite rooms that I've ever stayed in. And I was thrilled to get it again. It's a Little Mermaid themed. It is Concierge. There's the storage situation here. There's a closet there, closet, and our concierge robes. Slippers are on this side here. And then over to our split bathroom with the upgraded products because we are in concierge. Tub, shower. You can see there's a great seating area over here. It's a really good sized room. And 2 speakers that we've ordered. The fridge is in here, already stocked for us. And here is our welcome aboard gift, our Castaway Club gift. And here is our wonderful view. Love this. And we connect to 11006. This ledge here is big enough to sit on. It's a great view as you're sailing and in a lot of ports. And that's it, 11006. Excuse me, 11004. Love this room.